So welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Hey, how y'all doing? It's your boy Gary here, aka the Plastic Boy. Oh my god, this video is so random. When I say it's random, it is mad. So I was watching, I'm not sure you guys probably watched Jamie Genevieve. She is like amazing on YouTube, her vlogs, everything, period. And she did this video a few weeks ago. It was called the 10-minute unedited makeup challenge. And I was like, I really want to try that, but at the time, you know, I was moving. So I was like, let me try it when I go into a new place. So I'm going to try it today. I'm going to try to do foundation, contour, lashes, bronzer, bit of shadow. I probably won't do my brows the same as I usually can because my brows take really, really long. But we're going to just try and look decent because recently I've been waking up, it's not late, but I've been late for a few things. I've been like, oh my God, I need to wear makeup for that. So I'm going to see if I can do like a decent, you know, makeup look in like 10 minutes. Well, basically my signature makeup look, which is kind of like bronzer, foundation, lashes, you know, just fit something nice to look really like polished and clean, because I know we're not really going at the moment, but still, if we have like Zooms or if we have like, you know, virtual get-togethers, we want to look, you know, presentable and just, you know, bad bitch worthy. So I've got this on because my unit at the moment is looking a bit mad. So I'm really, really nervous. I'm so nervous. Okay, so we're gonna begin. So if you want to see what this 10-minute unedited makeup look, I'm really, really nervous, guys. So if you want to see what this 10-minute makeup look unedited looks like, keep on watching. Period. Okay, so we're gonna begin. Actually, why did I wear a jump? I'm sweating. Okay, this is gonna be unedited. This bit's gonna be unedited. So let's put the timer on. There's no editing. Obviously, the first bit's gonna be edited, but this bit is not gonna be edited. Period. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I'm scared. Everything will be linked down below because I'm not gonna have time to speak for every product. But wish me luck, guys. You know, bad bitch, plastic gang. Okay. So when you're doing this, if you obviously want to try this before work, make sure you set the products out the night before, which I did. So we're gonna do 10 minutes. Okay. Let's begin. 10 minutes. Okay. Okay. Oh my God, primer. Let's do primer. Okay. Primer. I'm gonna use. Oh my God. Blood clot. Smashbox. Okay, then I'm gonna go a bit with my favorite foundation at the moment, which is the NARS one. Okay, let me take a blender. Okay, so have you guys been anyway? I've been good, just been living. Okay, so if you basically, oh my God, the time is gone. So if you basically wanna look good quickly, the best thing to do is get like something that's, you won't have to build it, because imagine like when you're trying to do something and using something quite sheer, it's not gonna look cute, you know what I mean? Like it is gonna look cute, but okay, I'm gonna switch to a brush because, oh my God, okay. Because like, the sheerer it is, the longer it's gonna take to just do. So, oh my God, guys, the pressure. Oh my God, someone's been a minute. Okay. Okay, get the neck as well. You don't want those lines of demarcation. Okay, so where's my concealer? Gonna use a bit of Pat McGrath. I love this concealer. I just feel like it's really, really good just to like, you know, snatch those under eyes. I'm actually running out of this one. This is my favorite color, so if you use me as a shade reference, definitely get this one. This one's MD22. Oh my God, I need to take off this bracelet because this noise is not gonna only annoy me, but it's gonna annoy you. Oh my God, what's my time I got off my phone? Okay, we've got 8 minutes. Oh, chat. Oh my God, this bracelet is annoying me. Ah! Okay. Took that off. I'm not sure why I always try and wear that because the thing on it is mad annoying. Oh my God. Why did I choose to do this to myself? Oh my God. You know when you're actually looking at the time? Time goes so quickly. Oh my God. Why did I choose such a light concealer? Fuck. Oh my God. Did I just punch myself in the eye? Okay, let me blend this out. Use a foundation brush just to gain the edges because even though we're rushing, we don't want to look mad. Okay, oh, no. Okay, use my fingers. Okay, we're gonna do a bit of contour now. Okay, we're trying to do the whole damn thing. Guys, let me know if you guys try and do this at home, please, because this is blood clot dedication. Like, dedication. Taking that foundation brush because what's left off on my foundation brush is gonna blend that contour just beautifully. I'm using a Smashbox brush. This is like one of my favorite brushes. I've got my fan on in case you can hear it because I know I'm gonna be sweating like a bitch. And if I'm quiet, why did I do this? I'm actually gonna fail this. I'm gonna fail it. Okay. Oh my god, my arm hurts. My arm hurts. Okay. I'm going in with a bit of the Huda Beauty powder. This is in the shade Cool Nothing. Oh my god, sorry guys, I'm actually looking at you. I don't think I've looked at you since the intro, but okay. Bronzer, Morphe Leader. No, this is Supreme. One of my favorite bronzers, and I've been loving this NARS Yachua brush. Like, I feel like they've discontinued this, but if you can get your hands on it, I've actually got a video coming out with me explaining where you can get it from actually. So hold on tight. Let's do a bit of nose contour there. Okay, let's move on to shadow. So I put that contour on my eyes just because it's gonna make that bronzer stick even. We've got 5 minutes left. Hold on. Okay. Oh god, okay. Can't breathe, I can't breathe. Okay, we can do this. Oh my god, I just realized I haven't done my brows yet. It's fine. It's fine. What about Gucci? All I keep thinking about Gucci Mane. And also, do you guys like the new Megan Thee Stallion album? Oh my god, this eyeshadow looks very, very mad. Not mad, but it just looks... Oh my god. I'm gonna connect that bronzer into the temples. Oh my god, this is so hard. Okay. Oh my god, okay, I've got 4 minutes left, okay. Blusher. Oh, okay, I'm not doing this right. I'm so... Oh. Okay, I need to try and do liner because I know this is where I'm gonna fail. Oh my god, I can't get this off. Oh god. Okay, I'm gonna do liner using this Eylure glue pen. Okay. Okay, this was a bad idea. So bad. Oh my god, what is going on with my liner? Okay, I'd say I was gonna do a wing, but fuck it. Okay, we've got 3 minutes. I'm actually failing this so bad. Like, why did I think I could do this, please? I didn't choose the right products. Oh, fuck. Please help me. Please, Gucci Mane, somebody. Okay. Oh, fuck. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure what way I'm starting, but I'm definitely going backwards. Okay, we've got 3 minutes. We're fine. Okay. Let me line. Okay, we've got 2 minutes. Let me do the brows. I'm using the Benefit, what's this called? I don't know what it's called, but I'll put it down below. This is really good just for giving your brows a bit of color. Obviously mine's need doing so bad. Okay, I'm gonna try and put this lash on. Have I got any tweezers? So this eyeliner is actually like a glue. So let's try put that on. Oh, fuck. Okay, how long have we got? How long have we got? Guys, why did I do this to myself? Honestly? Honestly? Oh. Okay. 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 I should have done more layers of the eyeliner. This is Selena Rare Beauty. Okay, oh my god. Am I gonna do this? I don't think I am, you know. I think I'm actually gonna fail really badly. Okay, how long have we got? Let me put some of that bronzer under there. Where's the bronzer? Where's the bronzer? Okay. You guys are probably thinking, Gary, why would you even try and do this? Like, you are actually crazy. And like, this lash is a struggle. Like, oh my god, I think I've got like, oh, I've got sleep in my eye. No, it's not. That's like X. Eyelash glue. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Whew. Oh my god, oh my god, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay. Let me try. Oh my god, my face isn't dry. It's so wet. Oh my god. Ah! Okay. Okay, should we try highlight? Have I got any highlight? Have I got any highlight? Oh my god. Oh! Hold on. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! Ah! Oh! Okay. No. 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 Okay, we're gonna see how we did. Okay, what do you guys think? I feel like I look crazy. I definitely look crazy, but I don't think it's bad for 10 minutes though. Let's see. Okay, this lash doesn't look bad. I'm not sure why I tried to do a wing, but I feel like I don't look bad. Maybe the lip, but okay. Let me just finish off and I'll come back to you guys, but ooh, child. So guys, I fucked up. I'm just gonna tell you that now. Like, why did I think I could put eyeliner on and do lashes in 10 minutes? I thought maybe if I did like something clear. These eyeliner pens are actually really good. This isn't sponsored. It's just that they're really hard to get off because of a glue pen. The cap's really hard. The bronze on the eyes looks okay. Brows, because I need them done, they look a bit strugglish. Lips, I think the base looks really nice. I'm not gonna lie, the base does look really nice. It looks really, really cute. I definitely would change my brows. The liner looks silly. Concealer was a bit too light. I feel like I definitely should have went with something a bit more. A few shades darker. What do you guys think? Anyway, I definitely feel like I could attend Zoom looking like this. Like, I probably wouldn't go out in. I would go out in real life, but it's just, I would look very, very crazy. Like, I know this lash just needs to be squeezed and I need to tight line, but what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below what you think. I done one like this when it was 5 minutes and it went so badly. I couldn't put one lash on, but I think definitely to look semi-decent, I definitely think you need like a cute 20 minutes. 20 minutes, I would have been able to do it, but 10 minutes, you're kind of pushing it there. It depends on what kind of look you're going for, but I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I do have another video coming out tomorrow. Do I? Yeah, and I have a sip and slay on Friday, but I don't think this one's gonna be live, but I'll let you guys know. And I hope you guys have a lovely day and comment down below what you thought of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.